We are frequently asked, what is PDR or paintless dent repair? It is the process of removing automotive dents, dings, and even hail damage without compromising your vehicle's factory finish. This is achieved by using innovative tools specifically designed to manipulate the metal back to its original shape without the need for body fillers or paintwork. This repair process is widely used in both retail and wholesale markets, and when applicable is the preferred method of repair for insurance providers. When searching out a PDR company, be sure to check out their website for before and after photos of their repairs, or read customer testimonials and online reviews, because the quality of your repair is directly related to the skill level of the technician working on your vehicle. Here at PDR of Georgia, we have been in the paintless dent repair business for over 20 years and pride ourselves on offering superior service in the form of high-quality repairs performed in a mobile setting. We appreciate your interest in the craft of paintless dent repair and look forward to providing entertaining and educational videos to help promote this amazing industry. Click the subscribe button to access all of our videos, including small and large dent repair, hail damage repair, and even motorcycle dent repair.